How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to show you how to connect Book It Now with ITS Dispatch. First step is you're going to want to connect the load board to ITS Dispatch. So what you're going to do is come down to this truckstop.com button, click this. This is going to pull up a login screen. If you have already connected to this, don't worry about this step. You'll just see a disconnect button. Don't click that, just click close. If you haven't logged into the load board from ITS Dispatch, go in and actually log into that page right there and hit connect. You'll see a screen like this. From that point, you'll hit close. The next step we'll do is we'll actually jump up to the admin tab. So we'll click admin right here and we'll go down to preferences. We'll want to set up Book It Now so you can use the functionality inside the ITS Dispatch tool. So what you're going to do is go over to notes. From here, you'll go down to terms and conditions. And you'll actually type in out your terms and conditions right here. Once you do that, you'll hit save. And then you're going to want to turn these carriers on. So you'll go back to the admin tab and hit external carriers. And this is where you're going to have all your carriers inside of the ITS Dispatch portal. What you'll then do is each carrier you want to use with Book It Now, you'll go ahead and toggle this Book It Now button. And then that carrier is now added to your truck stop list. That allows the carriers to see your Book It Now loads. And as well as if you click this edit button, you can see that Book It Now status down below right here. This one is enabled. Once we have a carrier turned on, we can go in and actually post the load. So I have a load already drawn up right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open the load up. I have all my details filled in. I have my rate and my carrier fee. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go up to post it to truck stop. And then from here, I have the option for a standard post and that Book It Now post. So in here, you'll notice that all these details are filled in. There's a couple spots that if you wanted to go in and adjust, you can. Here's contact name if you need to. But what you'll do in here is you'll actually come down and choose the equipment type. I'm going to choose a boat here just for example. Choose the mode. And then if you want to select the commodity, from there you'll notice that that carrier fee is put straight into the Book It Now rate. And then we're going to go ahead and add a couple reference numbers here. And I'm also going to make load tracking required on this load. So I'm going to hit post. It's now posting to truckstop.com. What you'll notice is now that post is posted. And so we can remove it, update, and close. And so for example, I'm going to close out of this and I'm actually going to jump over and actually book this load with the carrier side. So what you're going to see is a couple notifications. So I'm going to go into that load. And then with a quick refresh here, I can actually notice that the carrier got assigned right here. So you'll notice that was assigned carrier earlier, and now that load is flipped over to the covered status. If I go into this load, what I can do from there is go over and I can see all that load details. Now the carrier has all the information they need to start moving forward on that load. If I need to make any adjustments, I can. If I need to make any changes to that load, I can jump over here. And also too, with the load tracking, you can actually go right here and you'll notice that that carrier name and that cell phone number for that carrier is in the system, which that will let you hit this enable track button and enable that track. That was a quick couple steps on how to connect Book It Now with ITS Dispatch. If you guys have any further questions, please reach out to our customer support. Thank you. Have a great day.